Have you ever felt completely lost? Like you're stuck in life, confused, and nothing makes sense anymore? If yes, you're not alone. In this video, I'll share 10 powerful steps that can help you find direction again when everything feels uncertain. Stay until the end, because the final point changes everything. 1. Pause instead of panicking. When life feels blurry, most people panic, but panic only creates more confusion. Instead, pause. Take a breath. Slow down. Clarity never comes from chaos. Ask yourself, what if feeling lost is not a problem, but a signal? 2. Accept that it's okay to be lost. Everyone feels lost at some point in life. It doesn't mean you're weak. It means something inside you is ready for change. Your soul is telling you, this chapter is over. What if this isn't the end, but the beginning of a new version of you? 3. Disconnect and detox the mind. Too many opinions, too much social media, too much noise. When your mind is overloaded, it cannot think clearly. Take a break, not to escape life, but to reconnect with it. Silence is not empty. It is full of answers. 4. Ask yourself a better questions. When we feel lost, we often ask, what's wrong with me? But that question leads nowhere. Better questions guide the mind toward clarity. Try asking, what am I curious about? What truly excites me? What am I avoiding? Your life starts changing when your questions do. 5. Focus on small steps, not huge goals. When you're lost, huge goals feel heavy, but small actions, they build momentum. Make your goals simple. Just move today. Just try something. Every step you take forms the path ahead. Don't look for the final destination. Just find your next step. 6. Learn something new. New skills and experiences open doors you never saw before. A new hobby, book, class, or conversation can change your direction completely. Sometimes one new interest can rebuild your entire life. 7. Write it out. Your thoughts feel heavier when they stay inside your head. Write them down. Journaling brings clarity. Seeing your thoughts on paper helps you understand them. And finally, let go. Your mind whispers the truth once you give it a place to speak. 8. Choose who you spend time with. Energy is contagious. If you surround yourself with confusion, you will feel confused. Spend time with people who bring peace, inspiration, or ambition into your life. The right people don't give you direction. They help you find your own nine. Explore, don't chase. You don't need to find your life purpose today. Let go of that pressure. Explore different things. Be curious. Purpose often finds you when you stop chasing it. Discovery happens when you stop forcing answers. 10. Understand this. A new you is being built. Feeling lost is not failure. It's transformation. It means your old life no longer fits the person you're becoming. You're not behind. You're not broken. You are in the chapter where you're becoming someone new. Your comeback story might be starting right now. If this video helped you, drop a comment below. I'm ready to rebuild. And I'll reply with something that motivates you personally. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Subscribe for more weekly guidance and motivation. Your new path begins here. See you in the next video.